guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a beginner makeup tutorial. I've also got some new products, so I will be using those as well. Everything that I have is affordable. I don't remember the prices though, because most of what I got is gifts. My Fenty product, I bought that and it was $15, and it was like when they were having like that viral $15 concealer sale. So yeah, I'm using this little headband instead of the little blue thing that I have because that mess is like really tight around my head. You guys, my little makeup pouch. Isn't it so cute? Like, this is literally so cute. Might be a thumbnail. It's my little makeup pouch. I got it from Ross. Ross will do you good. They had, this is the BB brand. I don't know if you all call it BB or Bebe, but I think it's BB. But I like to keep the sticker on for as long as I can because I like, you know, I like to keep things looking new. Disclaimer, I don't have any color corrector. So if you're looking for color corrector, don't have it. But I mean, it's easy. It's beginner. So it's not like it's going to be like the best of the best, you know? My face is dry, but we're going to start off with moisturizing our face. We're using the CeraVe Daily Moisturizer. This is what I use every day. If you did watch my birthday vlog, then you saw like everything that I used. But I'm going to go more into detail with this. The e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. We have the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. And then we have the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. We're going to start off with the Luminous. I apply this one to like this area of my face. And like, I'm gonna put a lot. I don't know if you're supposed to put a lot. See, like, I'm still a beginner at this, so like, I don't know if I'm supposed to put a lot or a little bit, or I don't know. I don't know. So I just put it down there and I rub it in. There. And then now we're doing the poreless, and we're gonna put that where I mainly have like, I don't know if you can see the pores, but like you kind of can, like right there, right here, on my nose. I'm gonna do the matte on my T-zone because I get really oily right here. Also get oily right here as well. So I might put some right here. I get oily like right there. Y'all know. I'll put a little bit. A little bit. I have all of my brushes in like a scrunchie so they're not scattered everywhere in my bag. I feel like that's like the smartest thing for me to do, like put them all together so they're not just everywhere. The foundation that I have is the Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation, and in the shade 365, and this is Nutmeg Muscade, and this is kind of like a little bit darker than my skin tone, so we're gonna mix it with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish in the color Deep Chestnut. So we're gonna mix this one and this one. I've been doing this since I started practicing makeup, and I always mix it on my hand. I'm gonna start with concealer, and we're just like putting it on. And remember guys, less is more. Less is more. This will still be like a full coverage look and look natural, you know? That's how much concealer I use. A few little swipes. And then we're gonna pour some on here. There. And watch, it's gonna cover my whole face. Like, come on out. We're gonna swirl it around. That's how it looks. It looks kinda too dark. We're gonna add a little bit more concealer. This is how much concealer we added. See, less is more. Face is fully covered, and if I want to like just make sure I'm 100% covered. This is how the foundation looks. It's not too light, not too dark. It fits perfectly. Let me see how it looks in here. Make sure to get the hairline too. Don't be scared to touch the hair. I'm so annoying. Okay, like I told you guys, I bought the Fenty Beauty Concealer, and this is the concealer. This literally, I feel like I got lucky. This shade is honestly a really good shade for me. To like bring like the brightness in my face. Yeah, so this is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 250. We're also gonna mix that with the concealer that I used for like my full face. I mixed them both together because this one is a little bit too bright, so it looks like kind of like, you know, ghosty, which is very scary. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna mix these two and put both in the places that I put the concealer. And this is a very lightweight product as well, guys.
I like bitches. That's light skin, whole lot of ass and get right with it. Off a pill like this, but if it's not in your mouth, then get out my business. Fucking cut it raw. Get money, bitch. You look good, but to me you just we got London on the track. I'm in London. I ain't trying to die young, so I ride with one.
Duo. So this is like the foundation brush, and at the bottom is the contour and bronzer brush. So yeah, Flawless Concealer Brush by e.l.f. They're both by e.l.f. Kind of drag it to the side of my nose.
Stop playing with my people for you get the whole clip. Always trying to hold something, nigga. You can't hold shit. Big slapper on my lap here, nigga. Hold me on shit. Talking about it in the hood, nigga. Gang bang it. Why you put it on crib? I'm finna put it on this bitch. Stupid. Who the fuck you think you fooling? You just a bitch. Let me put you on to this fat. Look at all these hoes, I'm attracted. Nigga, I am the main attraction. Bitches on my dick like it's a magnet. Oh yeah, and for the record, anybody got a problem, please add me. One take J on the socials. Get at me, bitch. Now you know who do hold dick. Please don't get slapped, girl, for talking your shit. Now you know who do this shit. Fuck trying to act tough, man. I'm trying to get rich. Running up them bands, stop playing with my money. Get off your broke ass, cause ain't a damn thing funny. Yo, you keep talking shit. Take these.
As you probably already noticed, I'm not like swiping. I'm not swiping. I'm like dabbing it in like that. And that's how you do it. That's how you get like the best results. You can like go swipe a little bit if you see that it's not moving, but the main part is to dab. You see? And then honestly, with doing this, I don't have to contour. I don't have to contour my nose because it already gives that look, you see? But I don't know if it looks crooked or if it's just me. I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. Just put it to the side over here a little bit. Yeah, that's straight. Okay, now the forehead. I'm gonna move it over to the side. If you don't have any brushes and you have beauty blenders, you can also use beauty blenders. I have beauty blenders as well, but it wasn't working out for me. I was not passing the flash test with my beauty blenders. As soon as I use my finger, I passed it, and when I'm using my brushes, I pass it. So I don't know if it was just me or if it was beauty blenders, but it wasn't working out for me, guys. So now we are done with the cream products. So we're going in with our powder-based products. We are using the Golden Hour Tammix. Or Tammix. I'm gonna say Tammix makeup palette. Wow, guys. I also use this for my birthday. This is how it looks. It has the highlight, the blush, the contour, and the bronzer. Sorry. Yeah, so all four. We're gonna start off with blush. And I've honestly always been scared of putting blush on my face because like I just don't want to look too, I don't want it to look fake. Like I don't want it to, not fake, but like I don't want it to look, yeah, I don't want it to look fake, and I don't want it to look like I have makeup on, even though I do. But I'm just trying to keep like a natural look. So I've always been scared of putting blush on my face. Using the Fluffy Eye Blender. I recommend using a actual blush brush, but we're not using that today. So we're going to use the blush, and it's called Blushed Baby Girl. So we're gonna dab it on there, tap it off. I'm gonna just show you where I put it. It looks pretty harsh, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna do the same thing over here. I know it looks scary, guys. I'm looking like a little clown right now, but it's okay. Where else do I want to put it? Put it on my nose. We're gonna go in with the foundation brush that I use. We're not gonna dab it on here again because it still has product on it. So we're gonna just tap like this. You can start swiping a little bit. You see how it's kind of giving like a little bit of natural. Brings color to the face, you know? But not down to eat a Lunchable. Bop bop. I don't know if I want to add bronzer or contour, but you guys already see how I have that already. Like I didn't put any makeup right there, nor did I do it over here, but I'm gonna just put like a tad bit so that I can like bring it down a little bit. It's kind of like, this is the bronzer right here. It's kind of like a purplish. This is more like a brown. We're gonna use contour, okay. Very, very light with the contour, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna do right here. See, a little bit. A little bit. And then we're gonna go like that. We didn't really need to do this, but just for the sake of teaching you guys. And that's literally all of the contour that we're going to do. You can either choose to do contour or bronzer. We're going to apply the highlight. And I have a brush for highlight, but I think I'm going to use my finger instead. Dab it on there once. And put it right there. The eyebrow duo brush, so it has like the eyebrow, and then I use this to conceal my eyebrows, but I don't conceal them too much, but this is what I use to conceal them with. We're using the eyebrow lift gel. We can try laminating our eyebrows, but I don't know how that's gonna work. And I think you just go like that, don't you? Like it took off a little bit of my makeup. I should do them first. Oh my gosh. It wasn't too bad. So we're gonna put some of the concealer on our hand. A little bit, and then we're gonna use this, and I dab it, and then I see, like I dab it, and then I do like little lines. Still a beginner, guys. I do not know how to clean them. I think you just don't, and you just buy, wow, you just buy a different one. And we're gonna curl them, and this is, guys, I love e.l.f. Literally all my products are e.l.f. except for the palette and one of the concealers. Oh, I got scared for a second. I'm like, why is my eye yellow? But it's the little thing on. L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This mascara, guys, has to be the best in the game because my lashes look like this is how they look before. And they're curled, you know, like you can see them, they're visible, you know. But once I put this mascara on, y'all, you don't think they falsies. And I swear, these are my natural lashes. Don't do me. And this is how we're gonna use it. We're gonna use it like right there. The MAC lip liner in Chestnut. You can either keep it like this or it's supposed to brighten it up, but you don't have to do that. There's preference. If you don't want to, don't do it. For the baking, we are going to use the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade 35, so Deep Foncé. That's how it looks. I use this sponge and I dab it and swipe. So I think I did it on my birthday. So if you guys remember from that one, if you haven't watched it, go watch my birthday vlog. It was super fun. And for this one specifically, I go like this and then I swipe. So we're just gonna dab it there. Guys, we let it sit for a little bit. Now we're gonna just swipe it away with the foundation brush. This is how I do it. If you have a specific powder brush, you can use that brush instead. I'm just making sure there's no powder on my face. See what I'm seeing? Beginner. Makeup mist and set spray. And we're gonna do it from a distance, so. We are done with our makeup. This took us roughly about an hour to do, which is honestly not bad at all because other people's makeup be taking like 2 to 3 hours. This took about an hour, and I was telling you guys the instructions and directions and everything. So yeah, but this is the finished look, guys. This does it pass the flash test? Good question. I can't check because I'm recording on my phone, but this is how it looks. This is very much beginner friendly. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, ignore how my hair looks, but this is all about face today. It's all about makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this tutorial helped you if you are a beginner at doing makeup. And I hope you just enjoyed me, you know, talking to you guys and just showing you how I do my makeup. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below other videos you guys want me to do, or if you just want to say what's up. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.